This video will show you how to run the third Monte Carlo tutorial on magnetization. So the first thing you'll want to do is start WSL and then open up Jupyter Notebook. Create a folder called MCO3 and then create your first notebook and label it Parm 3A. And then you will want to copy and paste this code, and this code into that notebook, just like this. And then go ahead and run it. Okay, then once you get a graph, you can go ahead and save and then go back to your MCO3 file. Then go ahead and create another notebook named Parm 3B. And then copy and paste the code from 3A into this one. And you'll want to change lattice just to ladder. Add in the lattice and model library parameter. And then change J from, change J to J0 and J sub 1, both equal to 1. And then we can change our file name here to 3B here as well. And this should be quantum Heisenberg ladder as opposed to chain. Then once we've made those changes, we can go ahead and run the code. Okay, then once you get a graph, go ahead and save it, and then go back to the MCO3 folder, and you can create your last notebook, title it Tutorial 3 Full, and then go ahead and find the MC2 tutorial, and scroll down to the Combining All Simulations section, and copy and paste that code into the Tutorial 3 Full notebook. Once you've done so, change anywhere where susceptibility is a parameter to magnetization density. Change your x-axis label to H and your plot x and plot y label to H and magnetization density as well. And then once you've made those changes, you can run the Tutorial 3 Full to obtain a combined plot with the quantum chaining and quantum ladder results.